How to fix and solve Snapchat login temporarily disabled. Hello everyone, welcome in this video. I'm going to show you how to fix and solve this problem on your Snapchat. You just need to follow and watch this video till the end. So let's start. First guys, you don't need to open your Snapchat. Go and open your settings of your devices. After that, here you have to click on apps option. We found here all the application that you have on your phone. You will just wait. As you see, it's loading. So after that, when the application showing you here, you will search for Snapchat. So after that, open Snapchat and scroll down to storage option. Click on clear cache, and right now you have to back and click on force stop. Click OK, and now what you need to do, go to Play Store and update your Snapchat on the last version. Then restart your phone. So that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.